CloudSync is the fast, easy, and affordable way to move data into Snowflake. With CloudSync, you can centralize data from some of the most popular applications and databases, and build fully automated data pipelines from source to Snowflake instantly. No code or engineering required. Let's take a look. From the CloudSync dashboard, we can see the number of syncs you have completed, how many rows we have loaded, the status of our syncs, rows loaded by connections, and the history of our syncs, including status statistics. Now let's see how quickly and easily we can create a connection. Let's connect to our retail data. CloudSync can connect to some of the most popular databases, business applications, file systems, and more. After completing your credentials, let's add syncs for the appropriate tables. Let's select Retail from the list of tables. Syncs can be automated using Schedule. Simply select the sync frequency required. Or we can utilize advanced mapping, such as choosing different target databases. We can create a new target table, load an existing table, change the target table name, choosing load mode. We can specify the column mappings here in Snowflake, specify data types, and in sync properties, you can configure source limit and source where clause, and many other sync connector configurations. Finally, hit the sync and save. Now the sync has been created. By selecting Sync here, you can view the history of each sync, along with the status. You can also see a detailed status along with the log here in Sync Monitor. By selecting SnowSQL, we can now see all the databases available for Snowflake, along with the tables created. We can select the target table and preview the data loaded in Snowflake. That's CloudSync, the fastest and easiest way to move your data to Snowflake.